Good morning children. Welcome to today's first standards English class. Today we are going to I am going to tell you a story about a rabbit and a parrot. Okay, how do they become friends with each other? One day in a jungle there was a rabbit who was passing through some trees. Okay, the rabbit would eat carrots every day, but one day it was passing through the berry tree and it saw so many berries were in the tree, but the tree was very tall. The rabbit looked right on top and it saw the tree is very tall, but to let me try, can I get the berry? So what did the rabbit do? The rabbit hopped and jumped again and again, and it tried to reach the berries, but it couldn't get the berries. So what did it do? It was sitting down thinking, how will I get these berries? Then suddenly there was a parrot on the berry tree. The parrot saw the rabbit was hopping and jumping to get the berries from the tree. So what did that parrot do? It said, "Hello, I am Molly. Hello, I am Molly. Do you want the berries?" The parrot said, introduced itself that, "Hello, I am Molly. Do you want the berries?" Then what did the rabbit say? The rabbit said, "Hello, I am Hobby. Yes, I want the berries." So even the rabbit also introduced himself to the parrot. Like when the parrot said, "Hello, I am Molly," the rabbit said, "Hello, I am Hobby and I want the berries. Please, can you help me?" The rabbit asked help from the parrot. So the parrot said, "Don't worry, I will help you and I will help you to get the berries." So what did the parrot do? The parrot went to a bunch of berries. It was sitting on a branch. It went to the bunch of berries and it cut the bunch with its beak. The beak was so sharp, so the bunch got cut and the berries fell down. So when the berries fell down, the rabbit did not eat at once only. So the rabbit said, "Molly, would you please come down?" It requested the parrot. "Would you please come down so that we both together will sit and eat the berries?" So see how good friends they became. Yes, see the rabbit was passing through the tree. Okay, it saw the berries and it was hopping and jumping to get the berries. On the same tree there was a parrot who was watching rabbit. It was watching that the rabbit was hopping and jumping to get the berries. So it introduced itself. The parrot said, "Hello, I am Molly and will I help you in getting the berries? Like, shall I help you?" Then the rabbit also introduced itself that, "Hello, I am Hobby and please help me to get the berries." So they both became friends. Yes, children. So both the parrot and the rabbit introduced itself and they both became friends. So when the parrot threw the bunch of berries, did the rabbit eat alone? No. What did the rabbit say? The rabbit asked, "Molly, would you please come down so that we both together will sit and share the berries and eat them?" Yes. So Molly also said, "Yes, I will come down." So Molly, the parrot, came down and both the parrot and the rabbit, the Molly and Hobby, both together sat down and ate the berries, and the berries were very juicy and tasty. The berries were very juicy and tasty. So both of them enjoyed the berries. Yes. So by this, what do we understand, children? That we should make new friends and we should always help each other. Yes. See, now in this, what is the title of this lesson? Of this third lesson, that is making friends. So they both, the rabbit and the parrot, both became friends, right? Did they know each other from before? No. At the time, they both introduced themselves and they became friends and they helped each other and they both together shared the berries and ate them. Yes? Okay, this is all for today's story. Yes, now we will see the exercise part. Okay, okay children? Thank you.